abanye abantu abaliphuzi baliphalazi
Yeah.
banama reasons wabo. Abanye abantu bayaliphuza baliphalazi banama reasons wabo yila kufika khona kuthiwe impande azifani. Yayizwa? Eyami impande ithi sibulala le mbuzi lonke lelagazi uyoligwinya. Eyakhe impande phathanani ithi hae so ibulala le mbuzi but we are going to take drops sibeke elimini lakho uyiphuzile wayiphalaza. Abanye abantu bathi no so ibulala le mbuzi but we are going to smear you with this blood.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Kuyohluka ukwenza kweimpande. Kuyohluka also not just impande phathanani. You see, that's why I say to people, ungathwasisi umuntu into wena ucabanga ukuthi uyayazi. Thwasisa umuntu into idlozi lakhe lifunayo.
Wow.
Mina as much as impande yami ingasho ukuthi siyaliphuza siyaliphalaza. But what if when idlozi lakho lithi mina angiphuzi gazi? Now mele ngikuforce ngikuphuzisa igazi because ula esikolweni sami and mina at my school we drink igazi. What is your covenant? Because I always tell people this, that the minute uphuza or sihlinza leyo mbuzi and sikhulume nayo ngegama lakho, then we are entering into a covenant. What if your covenant doesn't want you to intake lelo gazi? What if your covenant is that sigaba imbuzi sihlanganisa amagazweni? What if your covenant with whatever that you're going into says bulalane leyo mbuzi and smear it on me? The problem is we want to sonke singena Putadichaba primary school. Abantwana eklasini bayi 50. We want them to understand ngaphathanani. Kanti that's not the case. That is why I always ask ukuthi mawuthatha abantwana bayi 50 bafake esigodlweni. How are you going to individually understand ukuthi leli dlozi lifunani specifically? That's where you end up ukuthi sonke sithwasile siphuza igazi sonke kanti bakhona they were not supposed to ukuthi baphuza igazi. Sonke sithwasile sihamba ngamashaba wenkomo kanti bakhona abanye bekumele bathola inkonkoni or ihashi. Sonke sithwasile sigqoka ubuhlalo obu red and green and orange kanti bakhona labo bamele bafake obu green purple. Uyayizwa lento engishoyo?